Hello, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. You guys go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious egg muffin bites. They are so good and very versatile. Let's go ahead and let's hop into it. Okay, so starting off, I sliced up or cut up some spinach, some bell peppers, and onions. So I fried some bacon already. Y'all know how to fry bacon, so we saved that part. And so I'm using the leftover bacon grease from the turkey bacon, which y'all know turkey bacon don't make grease, but I made it make grease because I added some olive oil. Alright, so then I'm adding some seasonings. I am just adding some red peppers, some paprika, and also some garlic powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. Alright, so I have my eggs here. I actually have 8 eggs in this bowl, and I chopped up my bacon as much as I could and I put it in there. I did not have any shredded cheese, so I just cut up or throw some pieces of American cheese into my egg mixture. Use whatever cheese that you want. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my bell pepper and onion and spinach mixture that we cooked on the stove. Now you do not have to cook it on the stove. I chose to because I knew that my vegetables had a lot of water in it at the moment. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up, and then I will be adding a mixture of Italian blended cheese, which was like mozzarella, romano, and Parmesan cheese was mixed together. So I just added that, and now I'm going to add some seasonings. I'm adding in my Cajun seasonings, and I'm going to be using this everything but bagel seasoning, and I'm just going to add a bunch of that. This is salt free, okay, so you don't have to worry about the salt. Just give it some extra flavor there. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and mix this up, make sure everything is well blended. Now I have my muffin pan here. I am going to go ahead and just put a little dabs of olive oil into each little muffin hole. Then I'm using my brush just to spread the oil all around, just to make sure it gets all around the edges and everything. You can also use just a cooking oil spray if you want to, or if you choose. Alright, so now I'm just going to add my eggs into each muffin cup. Muffin cup. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill each one up. Just fill them up as high as the muffin go, because they don't rise that much as you may think they would, like muffins do, but they don't. So they're just going to rise to the level that you're filling it up to. Okay, you guys, these are all done. They look so good, they smell so good, and I can absolutely tell you the truth, they are so very good. I'm just going to show you how it look coming out the pan. You do not need, unless you have like an old muffin or cupcake pan, use some cupcake liners, but as you can see, it was really clean. Alright, and this is how it looks when you cut into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, try this recipe. Again, they are very versatile, so you can put in whatever you want to put in your muffins. See you later in the next one. Bye.